Alright guys, welcome back. Last week, Charlene Procope, our fitness chef, had me working with cauliflower. This week, it seems it's all about broccoli. So I'm doing broccoli this week. I like broccoli, Charlene, so
Yeah,
I hope...
I do too as well.
I do like broccoli. Is this good enough for you?
But the main ingredients is really not broccoli.
It's not?
Yeah,
There's a lot of broccoli here though. So this looks like... No.
Well, you know, I try to incorporate more veggies.
Yeah. Please allow me just one...
Believe it or not, Joel, when I did this recipe, it had no ham in it. So it's only later on I say, it's Christmas. Let me add some leftover ham that I already had.
Yeah.
And I said, let me throw in the ham and make a complete meal. So this is basically a leftover type of dish.
Right.
So, you know, Christmas come, you have broccoli, veggies, you have ham left over. You can
No, I'd have no broccoli left over at my house.
You know, for real. We talked about that last week and people not making my... well, you know what? I just incorporate the veggies because, you know, I like to do that.
I just wanted, I don't know, I just make sure Stephen could get it. This is the
ratio
of broccoli
and look at the cornmeal.
to ham.
I mean, yes, I got carried away with the broccoli,
obviously.
And I added so much to it.
Obviously.
But anyways, you will taste it.
What are you doing?
So I'm doing a casserole. So it's cornmeal and broccoli and leftover ham. So
just
Joel,
for good measure, some leftover ham.
Just some leftover ham. I throw it in for the little flavor.
Right,
but mostly it's about the broccoli.
Yeah, okay.
And everything that you, like not even everything, like stuff that you have Christmas Day and you want to use it in a casserole, because remember a casserole is something that you use a lot of the leftover ingredients and bake it, add your cheese and it tastes as fresh as ever.
Yeah.
So we have cornmeal leftover for making pastel, corn pie. So I just said, you know, let's make a corn pie today.
Yeah.
To the cornmeal, I'm adding some onion. I'm adding some cream style corn. I'm adding some kernel corn. Now what I did, I mixed the both together. Yeah.
So you mix the kernel
and the cream style together and just put it in the bowl.
Right.
We added some cottage cheese. Now you can leave the cottage cheese out if you want, but obviously I already like protein and I just decided, you know, to incorporate more protein today because cottage cheese is high in protein.
Serious?
Yeah, very high in protein.
Is that like ricotta?
I mean, it's not like ricotta, but it has the same, a little, close to the consistency of ricotta.
Yeah.
I mean, cottage cheese has no flavor, it has no taste,
so
it's better to incorporate it into something.
Yeah, where you're adding flavor.
Yeah, where you added flavor.
Yeah.
I'm adding some sour cream to the dish as well.
Right.
All these are going to be
dish.
so it's going to honestly be a moist corn pie.
Wow, Charlene Procope has gone off the bonkers.
I know.
Yeah.
I'm adding 2 eggs.
2 eggs?
And Joel, you won't believe what I added. I'm adding butter.
Butter?
Yeah.
She can't even pronounce the thing properly.
Honestly,
say it with me.
I'm adding butter.
Butter.
Bother.
Butter.
Let's not bother. I think let's not bother. We don't need the butter. But honestly, I say, you know, what's cornmeal without adding some more creaminess? Say it's Christmas, a little, 2 tablespoons of butter is not going to hurt you. We're going to go to the gym after. We're going to, run it out. Look at broccoli we're adding to it. You understand? I'm trying to tell people that, you could add a little butter, but not too much.
Charlene Procope-Delph.
But I'm feeling like we shouldn't butter with the butter.
No. This has to be Christmas.
Yeah,
so we were days away from the holidays.
I mean, melt your butter before you don't have to. So I'm adding some butter.
On the eve of Christmas
I'm adding
Eve.
Some cayenne. Oh my gosh,
Charlene
yes.
is cooking with butter.
I'm adding some cayenne pepper. Joel, and what I'm going to do is add the ham.
She's adding ham.
Yes.
Now
you can add turkey as well too. You can add chicken.
Chicken.
We're going to add some cheese. Oh my gosh, I didn't even want to bring out the cheese. I'm going to add some cheese.
But Sean, this is a one of those little feel good
cheat meal kind of.
Yeah.
The broccoli kind of split like mine. Thank you.
You want it a little smaller, Charlene?
Yes. I'm going to add some almond milk. And Joel basically does it. You're going to add the broccoli.
Let me add that broccoli there for you.
Joel, this cornmeal, when people use cornmeal, because cornmeal absorbs so much liquid, they don't know how to ratio it, so it comes out hard when you're done bake it. The amount of liquid that I'm putting in it, it's not going to come out firm. It's going to firm up like about a half an hour after it's cooled.
So don't
but
cut
it's still going to be moist. Yeah, don't cut it when it now comes out the oven.
Now comes out the oven,
And we're going to add all the broccoli, Joel.
No, there's a little too much.
Again, we're going to add all the broccoli.
All right, if you insist. All the broccoli goes in.
We're going to add all yummy. And now this looks like a casserole.
Nice color there, Charlene.
Yes.
Green, of course, yellow of the cornmeal and the corn. I'm seeing speckles of ham.
Now, Joel, you're not going to see any cornmeal literally. You're just going to see the ham, the onion, the broccoli, and basically that's it.
I'm liking this.
You're
I'm
going to
liking
see
this
the
recipe.
corn. It's now this as well you can make as a fritter. You can ting it, make it in balls and fry it in some oil, and it's a good snack for kids.
Yeah, I'm liking this recipe.
And
I've worked with
basically,
cornmeal a lot this season, so
really?
yeah, I've done a lot of cornmeal.
Mamacita.
Yeah.
I remember because I did it at movie town.
Charlene did it at movie town with us.
Yeah, and Joel basically does it. Now, if it's too firm, if it looks too firm, you can just add some more almond milk, or you can just put it in the oven as is, bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, and add some cheese to the top of it.
Right.
And basically that's it.
So you're adding in your dish.
Yeah, we're going to add it to the dish.
And so let me just get some cutlery for us. Don't forget the cheese, Charlene.
I know, Joel.
You're on a roll.
I know.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Don't forget the cheese. So guys, this is really what the show has been all about. We are coming down towards the end of our Christmas season. Our Christmas season, we have so much fun preparing dishes and showing you recipe ideas that you can try over the holidays. And this certainly, on the eve of Christmas, Charlene Procope has come out of the blocks.
Yeah, I went wild.
She went wild. There's ham in there, there's cheese in there, there's butter, there's milk, cream, all sorts of things in there, un-Charlene-like. Bake in the oven for how long?
30 to 40 minutes, and that's it.
30 to 40 minutes. And we'll have some casserole.
Now, Joel, you don't need to add no meat to it. You have everything in it. You have your carbs, some of cornmeal, your veggies, and you have your ham protein. So basically, it's a complete dish. If you want to add some beans to it, then you're good to go.
Yeah, but I mean, as I said, there's the ingredients in there is very satisfying, and we can enjoy just a little piece of it, though.
Yeah.
So I just really want to get that little piece here shortly that I'm looking and seeing. There's some ham pieces there.
Mine have ham too, Joel. I have pickerel ham in it.
You put real ham in? So bite of the broccoli.
I'm good.
Because there's a lot of broccoli in it.
Yep.
But you get any nice creaminess of the corn.
The ham.
The ham. Flavor of the ham. It's a
It
nice
really
dish.
is good.
It's a nice dish. Try the recipe, guys. Another one that you can try leading up to the holidays. It's just before Christmas. Charlene, I want to wish you Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Yeah, all the best to you, my darling.
Where are you buying from that? I mean, of course, have a dumbbell set.
Charlene, you need dumbbell sets? Here come the man.
I mean, I could get more.
Yeah?
Yeah. I do have a 10 pound. I have 20, 30, I have 45.
Yeah.
I have 40, but I need a 10 pound. And I need a 20 pound. No, 25.
Talk to Santa. He's in that camera across there.